Using a multimeter to test thermostat wiring provides definitive voltage and continuity readings that quickly isolate wiring faults and confirm whether the thermostat, transformer, or control board is at fault. Start by setting the multimeter to measure volts alternating current for typical heating, ventilation, and air conditioning transformer outputs, and use volts direct current when checking low voltage direct current systems. Many household thermostats use 24 volts alternating current, so confirm system type in the equipment manual before testing. Remove the thermostat cover to access the screw terminals and gently pull the thermostat away from the wall plate so wires remain connected. Label each wire if terminals are unmarked to avoid swapping. At the furnace or air handler control board, identify the corresponding terminals and keep power on during voltage checks unless you are testing continuity, which requires power off to avoid damage. Always follow safety procedures and wear eye protection. To verify a call for heat or cool, place the multimeter probes between the common terminal and the terminal for the call function. If the thermostat is calling, you should see nominal control voltage. If no voltage appears but the thermostat display is powered, suspect a broken wire or a failed transformer. For continuity tests with power off, set the meter to the continuity or resistance range and check each wire end to end. An open circuit indicates a broken conductor, while very low resistance indicates good continuity. Document readings and compare them to expected values from the equipment manual, and if readings fluctuate or are intermittent, gently wiggle wires and retest to locate intermittent shorts caused by frayed conductors or poor terminations. 3 common issues are broken conductors that show open continuity, intermittent shorts that cause fluctuating voltage, and incorrect grounding or common wiring that backfeeds the circuit. Fix broken conductors by replacing or splicing with proper low voltage thermostat cable using soldered joints or rated mechanical connectors and insulating with heat shrink tubing. For fluctuating voltage, isolate the section by testing at intermediate points, replace damaged cable segments, and secure wiring away from moving parts and sharp edges that cause wear. For grounding or cross-connection faults, trace and separate bundled cables, correct terminal wiring per the schematic, and if necessary, install a dedicated common conductor from the transformer to the thermostat. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners to local contractors who specialize in heating, ventilation, and air conditioning and low-voltage troubleshooting, making it easier to find technicians experienced with multimeter diagnostics. Contractors can list services and receive leads from nearby projects, streamlining the process of finding paid work for wiring and control system repairs.